you want to recruit individuals who what? Looking to earn some extra money part-time, working from home. Look at this. I helped my trainee, Robert Reed. Look at the difference, right? Because I sponsor him directly, I get 55, because the way the system is set up is 45, 45, 10. But since I sponsor him directly, he get 45, I get 45. By me sponsoring him directly, I get 10. That's $5,343 that I'm gonna make. He's gonna make $4,372. And it took us 1 hour, ladies and gentlemen. This is real, right? Just another one. Solar, it's real. Ladies and gentlemen, this is real. So, you know, I can keep going on and showing you numbers and numbers, but this is real. I knew nothing about solar before getting involved with Apricot and Fast and the Furious team. Knew nothing. You're talking to an individual that just took action, didn't try to figure a lot of stuff out. I see a lot of people like want to know this, know that, and never get started. They try to, if this, if that, if, hey, what if we don't make it tomorrow? We don't know. What I'm saying to you today, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to win, just take action steps. Be consistent, right? So let me go further. I'm sorry, don't want to keep you guys long. So this is your back office. Once you get started, you'll learn about all these other buttons in here. Your person who's, wait a minute, there's a couple people looking to get in. Hold on one second. I'm trying to let everybody in and people still come in mid-off. All right, there we go. So action steps is your key, right? Action steps is your key. Being consistent, you win long-term, right? Being consistent, you learn more. Being consistent, you have success, right? And I'm gonna tell you, the way you monitor yourself is the power of 10, right? The power of 10 is how you monitor yourself. Once you did 10 overviews, right? Getting yourself in front of 10 people. Let me go a little further now. So we showed you the back office, right? Let me share this back with you. We showed you the back office, how to get to success, how to use the video, the 3-minute video, far as sending that out. And that's right on the Fast and Furious site. If anybody missed that, it's teamfastandfurious.com. Teamfastandfurious.com is the site where that video is to show, you know, play that video, send that link to that video, because on that site also you could click on it and it's in the YouTube setting, so you can send that YouTube video, but your person who sponsored you, your certified trainer, can share with you where to get that as well. So I'm just directing you all, just follow up with your trainer. They could definitely get you what that link will be for you to send out to people. All right, so now let me go further. Let me go here, keep going, share my screen right there. So now the next step here, guys, is this sheet right here. This sheet right here is your success sheet, meaning make a list of your warm contacts. How many people do I need? Meaning is you know, the more the better, but I would say roughly 25, right? 20, right? I would say 25 homeowners, right? We have 30 states, okay? And your certified trainer or your person who sponsors you can get you to the information of all the states we have. I'm not gonna go through that part. That's the minor stuff. Just know we have 30 states that you have an opportunity to share this with, okay? And then what happens next? You make that list, you send out your top 10 to the SISM video, and then the top 10 to the corporate overview, right? And then your next step is that now what's gonna happen? Either two things. A person want to say, hey, I want to take advantage of, just like you got here. Somebody shared it with you. Okay, you're here today because somebody shared some information with you. It resonated with you. Now, that person probably shared this information with a lot of other people, but it made sense to you. See, you can't say the wrong thing to the right person. So your first step, right, is when you go through here is to hit the Sprint Award. Your first step right now is to hit the Sprint Award. What do it take to hit the Sprint Award? Well, I have to get in front of homeowners to learn our education presentation, because we have to help one family go solar and bring in a new advisor. The new advisor is easy, and helping that new family go solar is easy, right? Both of them are easy. if you're willing to follow our system, ladies and gentlemen. So what happens now when you do this, sending out these videos, you're going to be able to book 3 homeowners, right? 3 homeowners to help you with your training. Then what happens? You and your certified trainer, but they will show you that whole complete process, because I know different leaders do things just to tap in the sense of how they get this information in front of them. So now that homeowner watch our 8-minute education solar video, and then what happens, we want to do a free energy analysis. We collect bills. See, ladies and gentlemen, my objective every day is get a bill. A bill a day keeps everything else away, right? A bill a day keeps everything else away. I just want a bill, right? Let me get your bill. Let me help you out. I need to get practice. I just need to observe and learn how to break these bills down. I still use that to this day. And I know how to break the bills, but when I'm talking to individuals, hey, I need your help, right? I'm talking about people I know personally. Hey, I need your help. I need to further my education on learning about all different types of bills. All these energy companies out here, I need to know. I'm here in Houston, Texas, and we got all types of energy bills, okay? So therefore now you want to collect the energy bill. Out of those 3 energy bills, we're going to come back and do those proposals, and out of those 3 proposals, we should get 1 family to say, hey, it makes sense. I'm taking the money, what I'm already spending, and converting it over to solar. That's a no-brainer. I'm not talking about new dollars, right? And we help that family go solar, and then we repeat this process. Here's one quick question that you can ask everyone you know that can kind of break the ice. Hey, how long are you going to be paying for your electricity? Right? And it's the same answer every time I ask that, but I ask it just because I know that the rhetorical question, but I know what the answer gonna be, but I want them to understand what I'm doing. And the same answer I always get: forever. Well, ladies and gentlemen, what if there was a system or technology that will allow you that you wouldn't have to pay for it forever? Would you want to know about it? Yes. Oh, great. Hey, can you give me like 30 minutes of time? I want to share something. So I'm just giving you different tips, guys, that you can use. That's something simple, right? It makes sense. And we're not talking about nothing new, right? Nothing new. So I'm really excited to help you guys with that. That's one of the tips that I use. But this sheet here, you can get it from your person who sponsored you. So the certified trainer could go through this, get everything, get you all set up, everything ready to go. So this sheet here, you just keep following this sheet, following this. This is the roadmap. You follow this roadmap, right? Are you willing to send out 10 texts a week, right, ladies and gentlemen? If you send out 10 texts a week, I'm saying 2 a day, right? That's minimum, but let's say 10 a day, right? But let's say, I'm just going minimum 2 a day. Can you do 2 a day? That's 10 texts a week. Out of those 10 texts a week, we should get at least 6 to 8 people to say, hey, they're willing to help you out. Out of those 6 to 8, 3 of them should do a proposal, right? 3 of them should do a energy analysis. And out of those 3 energy analysis, we should get 1 to 2 families to go solar. Ladies and gentlemen, if you do that process, right? Now I'm just saying 2 a day, right? That's 10 a week, right? You should get 1 to 2 families to go solar with you, because the information is going to make sense to them, right? And once again, it's a numbers business, but you get better as you go through this. So we call it the power of 10. So this is the first part that you want to do. All right. Next here, let me keep going. All right. Come on. Where my screen is froze. Hold on, one quick question. I'm still a bit confused on how all this works. I think I understand how to recruit, but what about the leads? I'm confused about that part. Okay, I'm gonna go through these questions once we're done. But the leads, guys, is basically you starting warm and you never go cold again. Okay, so I don't look for leads, right? My leads is basically my warm market, and then they refer me, and they refer me, and they refer. I never had to go. I don't buy leads. I don't do ads. I don't do any of that. I work my warm market, and I'm still working it. I call people who I know, who knows people. And the reason I call them, my whole objective is not to get them. It's basically for them to understand what I'm doing for them to refer people, right? So that's why I want them to watch. And some people watched it with homeowner and they said, man, I want it for myself. I didn't know if that was going to happen, but I just know if I stay in the target market, homeowners, presenting this information, let my certified trainer present for me, and I just kept watching it over and over. Guys, that is how you will win here. Trust me, right? I knew nothing prior to, just like you're coming in today. If you follow this, right, you will have success. It's just a matter of how hard are you willing to be consistent, right? 1, 2, 3, whatever that time is, you got to make yourself a schedule, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we got 5 days a week, right? How many days are you open to work a week? I'm working 10 hours. Okay, we don't need complete hours. We need hours for training, meaning fabulous site. Let me go, guys. You have to plug in here. Let me share this with you quickly here. So I want you to understand our process, really simple. It's not complicated, right? I don't want y'all to overthink this. Can we talk about selling solar? Jovan, I mean, here's the thing about, I don't sell. You know, you sell in the sense of, yeah, when you're talking about selling solar, you don't have to sell anything. You just want to educate, right? I just educate, right? So here, once again, Fast and Furious site. Guys, everything you need is right here. The video, right? All the information you need. The Freedom Forever video. This video here, I encourage everyone, mandatory, watch this video. This is the CEO of Freedom Forever. After I